This video seems to be very late, not this video, but me too. Not only late, but very late. But what to do? It's the seasons of festival. Kaju gedam thap answer the kangyang. Isi video ka Islam je pananta nang aporang pipi. Kaju pansige pudai. Desoy, hello pupumat, hello nang ledai. Just go on the topic. Nili talang dun, TOKJIR pola marjan. First of all, thanks to the scriptwriter of the movie TOKJIR, singer Mr. Beton Tera. La puna theglong lo. Abe hat, kedul na kedul. Na kedul choklo, theglong na choklo. Nilitum especially hula dak ant. I mean, wotat lang swan kitna bangke, lamarjan ke lang damji panchot. Ate nili hempen tibok hedalong bangke, lamarjan isivet kepek lang. Only Sarlong the tiger. La sila po anak kahilo da kedam ilu just for you. As per the makers, labangso Allah marjan laki isi drugs awareness Allah marjan. Matelitum karbi englong along rialong talapuson pheri me pick a drugs nang litang do. Lapuson aphansi bangso Allah marjan ke sonse ponlo. Lapuson Allah marjan ke piklang mesen lo. I like that. But la marjan along le jong si love angle avi putang te kosonsi ke pleng po. I mean romantic angle. What a beautiful angle. Bangso Allah marjan long hello best romantic angle ke peklang ke never before ever after. Everything was fine for the movie except this small thing. Hunmili accents slightly unmatched with the emotions. Especially hula TOKJIR phan ke propose hut. But we know it's just only a step to the movie. Next, lamarjan ke chengben ke yulanta repeat avelo pomat si ingphun si tewar hai he pinlo. Ning phuntot kali ni meganda sirip hai he pinlo lasi lapuanda ke longlo. Lasi labang so lamarjan storyline hindu isi bang ke drugs mafia lapen isi bang ke love angle, that means romantic. This is just I am talking about the main themes. Hini aphan lang paching bardam lo protang te romantic, that means love angle was far more better than the mafia's angle. So I suggest you to try a romantic movie in the next time. But we should try in every field. This is just my expectations for Mirzeng accents. Lasi Mirzeng accents bang masab so intense chat mila. Lasi lahi hoy ke lang je pan directors tumta akinang soddu. Makers atomat si nang confirm dun lo. Na bang sola marang ke release ta ke tong lo. Lasi bang sola marang long last mate ke juda porhood awkward scene te do. But fine, let hope great for the next project. That is Kiri. And this much for today. I hope you guys enjoy it.